Okay. Good morning. Great to see this group over here. Fabulous. And as Mr. Chopra said, you are the real treasures. So let's start with a big round of applause for all of you assembled here. "2017 was a challenging year. Challenging to the extreme. We saw a couple of episodes which would have otherwise happened over decades. So on the three-wheeler industry, after 2015, 2016 was a very promising year. Growth was good. The expectation was that 2017 will take off, right? And you can see the growth going up. The last quarter has been phenomenal. The growth is back. So we have ended on a bright note. And if you look at product-wise, cargo segment, in spite of all the issues which has happened in the market, cargo continues to grow. Because the segments which are in, the captive segments, the FMCG segment, the e-commerce, all those segments are still growing. So you can find that on the cargo space, we are at a 7% growth, in spite of whatever has happened. Now, where is the hit which has come? Passenger segment. And especially on the diesel passenger segment. Because rural market mein, jahan pe, the money which has got sucked out, because of that, this is the segment which has got hit the worst. And this segment mein market leader kaun hai? We are the market leaders. So we got hit badly because of that. However, on the alternate fuel side, it was in a degrowth till around August. Diesel segment se bhi degrowth mein tha, 29% almost. But in the last 4 months, there has been a phenomenal uptick. And especially after Maharashtra permits got opened up, you've seen a huge spike. And as a result, by the end of the year, this is a segment which has shown 13% growth. On the four-wheeler space, again on the cargo side, 22% jump. After almost 4-5 years, jahan pe ye four-wheeler segment flat chal raha tha, now it has shown a strong growth of almost 22%. So this is how the industry has been in 2017. So what did we do? It was chaotic. It was confusing with all these things happening. But we are still surviving because all of us here in this room did things which helped us hold together, have some semblance of sanity. And first, this thing that we did, BS3 to BS4 conversion. Because demonetization, yes, it hit us. On the BS3 side, the company decided that, yes, we will do something about the stock. And we embarked on a conversion of the stock vehicles, which was never done before. It was complicated. And when we announced that we will convert, we had no idea that how we are going to do it. Our R&D team, our manufacturing team has worked so hard to ensure that the vehicles which were there in your stock got converted. And finally, we are almost 95% through and we have sent back the vehicles to you. Right? Special interventions. We ensured that we went to the market, specific areas, we had interventions in terms of schemes, how to pull in more customers, how do we have more conversions. Marketing. In terms of activities, sheer number of activities that all of you sitting over here have done in the field is phenomenal. We have generated more than 4 lakh inquiries through marketing activities alone, so that in these tough times, we still have those volumes coming in. For the first time in Piaggio history, we had channel schemes. We had channel schemes in 3 months, in March, September and October. Never before done. But yes, we wanted to support you. We wanted to have push you. We wanted you to do more numbers so that there is survival.